Hello guys, today is July 15, Wednesday, and we are dashing right along. So we have our first order from Taco Bell, which is I already picked it up, and we have a double order for Sonic. So okay guys, we got our order from Sonic, and so we're gonna drop off the first order we have, which is Taco Bell, and it's only like 1.5 miles for $5.75, and it's a lot of traffic right now. Taking the long ways because the traffic there is bad. So here we go. Here we come. We're delivering this to the apartment. So let's go. Almost there. That's a steep hill there. Okay. So we just dropped off our first order to the apartment, and now we're going to the second order. It's 2.2 miles from the first order I dropped off, and I think it's like for $675. So
continue for 1 mile.
So we just wrap up the Sonic order, and Little Caesar Papa for $7.25 for 2.2 miles. Let's go. Okay, we are in Little Caesar. So we get our pizza, and I want the Ceramis. There we go. Let's go. Deliver it. Okay. We're here now. So we just wrap up that Little Caesar orders, and Palermo pizza pop-up for $5.75, and it's like 2.2 miles. Okay, let's go pick that up. The best pizza. So we just wrap up that Palermo pizza, and we deliver it to she's a clerk in Mark Twain Cape. So I haven't been there, but I hear this really cool stuff, and if you guys want to go there, you'll enjoy it. So yep, so we have another order for $6.75, and it's also Palermo. So we're out of zone right now, but it's only like 2.5 miles from Palermo. So let's go.
Turn right onto Grand Avenue.
Hello guys, we pick up our delivery from Palermo
Continue on Grand Avenue
and
for 3/4 of a
delivering
mile.
it for 2.2 miles for $6.75. Alright, let's go. Ride along with me, guys. Okay, guys. So, leave at my door. Okay. Leave at my. So we just drove up the Palermo's and Little Caesar pop-up for $7.25, and it's like 3 miles. Alright, let's go. We're back at Little Caesar, guys. Come on, let's go. Okay, guys, we just picked up our order from Little Caesar, and we're gonna go deliver it to our customer. Guys, we're delivering to this house. Leave at my door. We're done shopping. 5 items for the customer. 5.5 miles for $14.50. Alright, let's go to checkout. Hello guys, so that drop off from County Market to that customer wasn't good because when I drop it off, there's a dog on their yard, and it's a big dog, and I'm scared of a dog, so I horned my car, and she didn't open her door, and so what I did, I just left her grocery there right into their yard because I'm not gonna risk my life on that big dog. So yeah, it's not good drop off, but customers should always be mindful that if they have a dog, don't let them get out until until the delivery came or something like that. They should be mindful about that. But some customers, they don't they don't care, I guess. But anyway, I just drop it off, and I'm back in town now, so and looking for an orders. Okay, thank you guys. Hello guys, when we're on our way to our customer, and I've been waiting in Papa John's for like maybe 30 to 35 minutes, but it's okay. It's only 3.2 miles for $7.77, which is like perfect number for me. I hope there's some hidden tips on it, so we'll see. We'll deliver this to our customer. Guys, we just wrapped up that Papa John's order for $7.77, and there's no hidden tips, but it's okay. Okay guys, we just accept again another order from Palermo, and it's only like 2.5 miles for I parking, $6.75. So let's go. We're at 5 p.m. traffic, guys. We're here at stoplight.